Thank you.
Aloha! Welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy, and this is Fuge. Fuge means little fig in Hungarian. We got a great episode today. Today is Taco Tuesday, so I'm going to do a giant burrito. Check it out. All right, I'm going to make my super giant burrito. We had Cuban food last night, so I'm using the leftovers. So we're going to start out with a lot of rice. Cubans like their rice. Next up, of course, some black beans. And then another favorite Cuban side dish, beloved all over Latin America, are Tostones, or fried plantains. Very Cuban. And then I got an entire steak that I had cooked up. And cut it up. And when you cut that steak, try to cut against the grains. It'll make it a lot easier to eat. All right, here we go. We need the drum roll. I think I made it too big. Come on, baby. We got a winner. It's a baby boy. All right, let's see what we got inside. All right, for Appies with Chappy by the lake, we're going to do some homemade potato chips. I got my mandolin here. It's very important to use the guard. I once saw my father not use the guard, and it didn't turn out too well for him. Okay, I'm just cutting them quite thin. We're going for really crispy chips here. And because we're in Hungary, I'm going to put some Hungarian paprika on them when they come out of the fryer. Alrighty. Ooh, look at that. Paper thin. So we got these paper thin, almost translucent chips. Now it's very important to put them in ice water. We're going to soak them in the ice water. It's an important step to ensure you have the crispiest potato chips. And by soaking the potato slices in ice cold water, not only does it pull the starches out, but it helps the cells seal up, which will result in a crispier chip. We're going to pat it dry when it comes out. And also it'll prevent the potatoes from sticking together when you fry them. And then you get individual homemade potato chips with no lumps. Very good. All right, I got it soaked. I had it soaked in ice cold water. Now we're just patting it dry. And I'm going to put it in the oil. I got the oil at around 350. Make sure they're nice and dry. This gadget's called a spider. Oops. I'll try not to drop the camera in the hot oil. Little bit of steam. I might not have dried them well enough, but hopefully they'll crisp right up. Nice and hot. Now you want to season them when they come out of the fryer. So I just got a little bit of pink Himalayan sea salt, and then because we're in Hungary, we got the hot paprika. Now don't do what I did. Here's a pro tip. If you want to buy paprika in Hungary, don't go to the most expensive shopping street in Budapest and go to a gift shop. I'm still lamenting about paying €9 for this little bag of paprika, and I probably passed a dozen grocery stores along the way. So we'll give it a little bit of sprinkling of my overpriced paprika. And there you have it. That's Appies with Chappy by the Lake Balaton edition. So let's go check out Lake Balaton. I'll probably eat these before they make the lake. Thanks for watching another episode of Chappy's Tiki Bar, Lake Balaton edition. What's that, Mookie? Mookie, the people are over there. Mookie says life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.